they look at you as if to say, hey, but you're stupid. Eh? Whereas in our times, we played in the street. And the favorite thing was football in the street. That is, okay, you have other children playing things like Kennedy and what's it with the three tins, all that. But for most of us, it was football. But the big thing about it was that we knew what it was like to play. The biggest punishment that your parents could give you to keep you inside. Keep you inside and you stand by the window and you see how everyone else is playing. Daar is die swaarste, like jy maar liewe pak gegee het. We would play, and that's why you would find that the kids those days, they were healthy because they were running around. The only form of media, besides the Argus, which was famous amongst our people, was the radio. The radio, and that's why I love radio, because you had to listen to the radio and paint a picture. As they say, radio is the theater of the mind.